Leadership training for GLTS leaders. Welcome to Global Law Thinker Society. There are two training sections, Section A and Section B, and today we are going to learn about GLTS leaders' duties and responsibilities. So let's start. Complete general training sections. Like this session you have to complete as a GLTS leader. Get your GLTS leadership pack from GLTS Central. In this pack you will find all the documentations, information and instruction that you can use to run GLTS in your area or country. Join all social medias, groups, network and channel of GLTS. Manage GLTS country-based social medias. That means you must have to have your own social media groups. Start networking, invite, recruit volunteers and members. Form your committee. Create members database and secure member data. Collaborate and partner with other organizations, companies and institutes. If you have an organization already, enlist as GLTS partner. Research, find, observe social issues and problems in your country. Find solutions and design projects. Take actions for solutions. Organize programs online and offline. Use GLTS logo and represent GLTS. Attend GLTS programs and other trainings. Collect and manage funds. Organize monthly leaders meeting. Submit activity report monthly. Do not forget it. Follow time to time instructions of GLTS. Anything that can help and empower the society must work on it. Hold your leadership. Give more to get more. If any leader or you want to leave GLTS, always submit a written resignation letter mentioning your issue to GLTS Central and get approval of that letter. We will arrange warm farewell for you. Any leader before leaving the platform must hand over all duties, responsibilities and any GLTS data, information, work, activities, etc. to GLTS Central. No leader can use members database for personal use, rather common goal with prior permission from GLTS Central. All leaders' duty is to secure database and privacy of the GLTS members. If any member fails to do so, GLTS can take legal actions against that member. If any issue arises that you cannot solve, must inform GLTS immediately. In case of any legal issue that is very urgent, you can take your step under your authority, but inform GLTS Central as soon as possible. In case of decision making on issues, country leaders are responsible to check and solve. Country leader must inform GLTS Central about that and maintain GLTS organizational secrecy. Always inform and get prior approval for any program, project, member invitation, data use, new member, using network, personal use of network data, etc. If you want to start your own separate organization and recruit members from GLTS network, must inform the Central. We want your progress, but we also prevent members to misuse, bad intention and harmful activities. Let's now know about GLTS social media. There are GLTS official social medias and GLTS wings and clubs links. Here we go, GLTS official social media links. Always like, subscribe all these links because the more you get connected, the more you can create your own network. And the more people you know, you can create your opportunities, get opportunities. Here are the GLTS Wing social media links. We have this GLTS TV for the youth by the youth. Subscribe the channel. Youth Empower School. This is the training center for GLTS leaders. You can join the Facebook group, YouTube channel and Instagram. You can check the website also. There are other wings. Youth Cash. This is the international business hub, entrepreneurs hub for our GLTS leaders. You can join this if you already have a business or if you want to run any business, you can join it. Green United Nations GUN. If you are interested to work on environmental issues only, you can join this wing and also can stay and check all these activities through the social media links. There are more GLTS wings. GLTS Law Force, World Women Force, Disabled Leaders. Then there is the English Language Club if you want to learn English, and Global Opportunity Club, where you can get information about all the opportunities in GLTS, or it is if any member gets information from other places. Be a great leader now by taking what? It is action. You have to take action. GLTS is your platform, your family for positive change in you and in the world. So it's time you start using GLTS platform. Be the leader, lead and create more leaders. There is the assignment. You have to confirm your social media group joining, page likes and channel subscription. Without that, we won't be able to promote you anywhere. So start joining and sharing. Ask your friends to like and join the group. Let's create a big family. So end of session A3 and let's get prepared for the next session A4.